Good evening, you're watching the Indian Express and we're back with our daily updates on the Bihar elections. Today is the last day of polling and results will be declared on Tuesday, November 10. Till then, every day we'll bring you 3 key developments you need to know about the Bihar contest. Before the campaigning began, Bihar polls were largely being seen as a one-sided contest with the JDU-BJP camp having a clear edge. However, in the course of the campaigning, it is the opposition led by Tejasvi Yadav which has put up a very spirited campaign, and the campaigning has ended with the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar declaring that this would be his last election. Moving on to the 3 things of today, the first thing we have for you is of course how the voting is going so far. Till 3 p.m. the turnout has been 45.85%. These are the latest figures we have so far from the Election Commission till 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Voting will go up till 6 p.m. and may also be extended. 78 seats are going to polls in this election. In 2015, 54 of these seats had gone to the Mahagathbandhan, but this was when the JDU was fighting along with the RJD. So in 2015, out of the 78, JDU had won 24 seats, the RJD 20 seats and the Congress 10 seats. The BJP had got 19 seats while the other 5 had gone to the smaller regional parties. This time, of course, the JDU and the RJD are very much in opposing camps. Another new factor this time is the AIMIM, which is in the fray and is supposed to have some popularity, some appeal in the Simanchal region, the Muslim-dominated Simanchal region. Now, the second thing we have is this interesting story from Jokihat in Araria, where 2 brothers are contesting against each other. The sitting MLA from Jokihat is Shahnawaz Alam, who had won the seat on an RJD ticket. However, this time the RJD gave the ticket to his elder brother, Sarfaraz Alam, and so Shahnawaz has now switched to AIMIM and is contesting against his brother. The Alams are the sons of Muhammad Taslimuddin, who was a former union minister and an MP from Araria. He was very popular in the Simanchal region. Taslimuddin was in fact also known as Simanchal Gandhi. He passed away in 2017, which is when the elder brother moved to the Lok Sabha on Taslimuddin's seat, and Shahnawaz then won the Jokihat assembly seat, and this time this is how the equation stands. The third thing we have for you today is education problems in Bihar. This is a report compiled by Ritika Chopra of the Indian Express based on data from the annual States of Education report. One of the big issues in this election has been education and employment opportunities in Bihar, and what this report shows is that learning levels in Bihar schools are rather worrisome. It says in 2018, only around 41% of students in class 5 could read textbooks meant for class 2. Nationally, this average was 50.5%. But while nationally the figure has been going up, in Bihar the figure has actually been declining since 2015. In class 8, it's not much better. 71.4% of the students can read texts meant for class 2. This is down from 80.7% in 2012. In math, only 70% of class 5 students could do simple division. Among class 8 students, 57% had age-appropriate numeracy skills, and this is down from 67% in 2012. Now, what Nitish Kumar's government has done is that facilities in schools have improved a lot. The schools have more playgrounds, they have more libraries, they have better drinking water facilities. But what the experts say is that these kind of facilities boost enrollment, but learning levels, learning outcomes very much depends on the quality of teachers, which is a very crucial area where Bihar seems to be lacking. This is all for today. Keep watching the Indian Express. Thank you.